Hey everyone, I'm Tammy. Welcome back to Prepper Watch, the news and reporting arm of preppingcommunities.com. I'm super glad you're here, whether you're a seasoned prepper or you're just getting started on your journey, you're in the right place. And if you are into prepping, homesteading, and staying on top of the news and awareness that may impact you, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a report. Okay. Let's talk about eggs. Something strange is going on, from recalls, bird flu outbreaks, to suspicious policies, biotech interference. Our egg supplies keep getting hit after hit after hit. So you've probably seen the growing list of egg-related recalls and stories we've been tracking on Prepper Watch: mass chicken culls due to an avian flu, supply chain disruptions, increasing egg prices, even corporate efforts to push synthetic or genetically modified eggs as replacements. Why? Like, what is the end game? It doesn't add up. I mean, think about it. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense, affordable sources of protein. They're simple, they're natural, they support self-reliance, they provide complete high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, B12, D, and selenium, plus antioxidants to protect our eye health. They support brain function through choline, they boost good cholesterol, and they even help with weight management by keeping you full longer. So I'll be honest, I love eggs. I eat 3 or 4 a day, but I will only buy organic, local eggs now. Like years ago, I picked up a dozen of the carton of eggs at a big box store. I won't name the store. And the next day I went to boil a couple, and I think it was like one bite, and it tasted like plastic, synthetic. It almost turned me like right off. It was just the oddest thing. So we threw them out, and we vowed only local organic eggs now. So on a related note, the owners of the Universal Ostrich Farm in BC are currently fighting back after being ordered to cull 400 birds due to an avian flu outbreak. And this family-run operation has taken their case all the way to the Federal Court of Appeal in Ottawa. Good for them, seeking a judicial review of the CFIA's destruction order. Katie Pasitny, daughter of the farm owners, say that this order could devastate their livelihood and the local community. So as of July 15th of this year, the court has reserved its decision. So we'll keep you posted on this story as it develops. And that's why I believe like the best way we can fight back is taking control of our own food system, especially with eggs. Like, you can preserve eggs by dehydrating or freeze drying them. You can store fresh unwashed eggs in lime water for long-term shelf life, which is called water glassing. That blew me away. Like, when I found out you could water glass eggs, I did not know there was such a thing, but that was really cool. And you can even freeze raw eggs in a silicone tray, or even better, if you can, raise your own chickens. So we freeze dry our eggs here, farm fresh, homegrown, and preserved in long-term Mylar bags for our family. These aren't for sale. This is just how we prep. But yeah, that's what we do, because freeze drying them and having them for long-term sustainability meets our needs as we prepare. So if they're trying to control eggs, we need to be the ones who protect them. This isn't just about breakfast, it's about food independence, DNA integrity, and common resilience. So let me know in the comments, like, do you raise chickens? Have you had any pushback from your local government on that? How are you preserving your eggs? Have you noticed changes in the taste, quality, or pricing where you live? Please drop a comment below or head over to Prepping Communities and share your thoughts. We're stronger when we learn together. And for full sources, more in-depth articles, and the latest in news and awareness, please come visit us at preppingcommunities.com and Prepper Watch. There you can join local or topic-based prepper groups. You can create your own, share what's happening in your area, learn from other preppers and homesteaders, add your own Prepper Watchman Report, and get real news free from censorship. Our Prepper Watch community is growing every day. Thank you so much. Your voices keeps us all one step ahead. And remember, membership is free. So that's it for today, guys. This is Tammy from Prepper Watch. Stay alert, stay informed, stay prepared. And whatever's coming your way, Prepper Watch, we have got you covered.